Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at our Yaris GR, and as much as we love this car, it has a couple of annoying things about it, and one of them is that it makes absolutely no noise from the exhaust whatsoever. So have a listen to this. So as you can see, I wasn't lying, it literally makes no noise. You get in the car and the active sound makes noise, but outside the car it literally has zero, not even a slight peep. So the guys at MG Motorsport in Poland have sent their exhaust over to us, and we're going to have a look at that exhaust, fit it, and then show you sound clips of what it sounds like afterwards. We are planning on dynoing the car, but that's going to happen in a later video. Overall, the exhaust looks like fantastic quality. Where they've welded it, it's TIG welded, and it doesn't have many welds on it because they've actually mandarin bent the exhaust as much as possible. Has some really cool small details like the plaque, which is laser etched here with the serial number on it. The brackets look very durable and high quality, and they've also got in key areas this heat shielding, which is actually attached to the exhaust. So this is the catback. This is the front pipe, which deletes the GPF, but also has a 200 cell cat, and that's also got the heat shielding around it. Now this exhaust is available in a couple of different configurations. You can have just the catback by itself, and then you can have it with active wireless valves, so you can control the valves open or close. It's also available in titanium, and if you want to go more aggressive on the front pipe, you can actually get the front pipe without the cat in it, and then the cat gets moved to the downpipe, and they also do a catless downpipe, so it's really configurable in any way you see fit. This is the one that's been recommended for sound and for the fact that you don't need to touch the ECU. Apparently they have run this on their car for around 1,000 miles or 1,400 kilometers, and it hasn't tripped the GPF light, so we're hoping that's the case. We will obviously update you in the future. We're going to get this on the car now. Oh, one thing I forgot about is snazzy tailpipes. So these are made from an outer of carbon fiber, and the inner is stainless steel, and it's got a nice bit of laser etched branding there, and that should really improve the rear of the car. The tailpipes aren't too bad on this as standard, but these are significantly larger and they're carbon, so it should really finish off the rear of the car. So exhaust is on. Let's see what it sounds like on the road. Now, I've never had a 3-cylinder car before, so I'm not sure what it's meant to sound like with an aftermarket exhaust, but initial impressions is it actually has some noise now. And I think you get that slight offbeat noise from the 3 cylinders. And like kind of cruising at 60 and 5th, there's no discernible drone, which is good. So we have deactivated the active sound in this, which was all you could hear before. So what you're hearing inside the car is the noise from the exhaust. It's quite a high pitch and raspy at the top end, but it certainly has some personality now. So low down, under load, it's kind of a deeper sound, and then the further up the revs you go, it just gets more and more high pitched. So it sounds pretty good and a lot better than stock, but exhaust sounds are very subjective, so you're probably going to get a number of different exhausts on this platform, and you're going to have to go for the one that you like the sound of. What I will say about this MG exhaust is the quality is very good. I like the fact they've used TIG welds and not MIG welds. I like the fact that they've used less pieces as possible, so they have mandrel bent the exhaust as much as possible, so it's in one piece, and it's modular, so the back box, so the cat back is one piece. It's not made out of multiple pieces. And same with the front pipe. You will get some exhausts that are multiple pieces, and I don't really like those, and the reason for that is as the exhaust expands and contracts, the way it's put together, they start going out of place, and then that starts meaning the tailpipes look out of place at the back end of the car. But overall, the looks of this and the quality is very decent. The tailpipes look nice as well. I don't know what it sounds like from the outside. Again, I've got no reference point for a 3-cylinder car, but it certainly sounds sporty from in here. And it really needed that injection of personality. The car, as much fun as it is to drive, it didn't have any personality in the sound department. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to head back to the workshop and we can sign out. So we've added some much needed oral personality to our GR Yaris with this MG Motorsport exhaust. It does sound pretty good. I don't have any reference points as to what a 3-cylinder engine sounds like, but it sounds fairly fruity low down and slightly raspy at the high end, so slightly high pitch, but I like it. The exhaust tailpipes are actually very high quality, carbon around the outside and stainless steel in the middle, and they do suit the chunky nature of the GR Yaris. We will get a dyno of this car ourselves shortly. MG Motorsport have said on a stock car they made 297 on a Maha dyno, but I'd like to verify those claims ourselves. So we'll get on the dyno as soon as we can and we'll make an update video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.